Hi friends, this is Rajnikant, Excel Guru, and here I am going to explaining you the how to get a maximum sales product when it is having some duplicates. Okay, so we have to find that one. So how you find? Wait a minute, I will show you. Before going that, before going to main session, so I am asking you how to do. So here is the explanation. The previous guy did like this. Okay. So this is not the right answer which I am going to tell you. Okay. So here it is. So he did sum if. Okay. I want this one should be here like this. Not this all helper columns. I don't need all these helper columns. Only this one should come here in a row. Right. So before going to that, I will now I will show you how to do. Right. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box or in my group. Now, here already said that it is the procedure to find each and individual total. Okay, easily you can get like this, that here after completion of this like this, by using sum if, you can use this like this. Max of this F4, max of this whole thing, comma, the lookup value will be this one. Okay, here you can get the right answer. But I don't need that one like this without, I need without helper column. Index of this F4, comma, it's an array function. You have to use Control, Shift and Enter. So see. So I don't need all the helper columns. I need direct answer. And here, first of all, I will do COUNTIF also. Let me explain you why I am using this one. COUNTIF, the range, this one, F4, comma, this one. Okay, 5. Double click. Okay, 579. Why I am doing this, I will explain. Now, after doing the total of the products, we have to find the maximum sales of the product. First of all, we have to find the maximum, sorry, some of the products individually in one cell. Okay, in one cell, not like this. Okay, I will do one thing. I will copy this whole thing. Control X here, Control V. See how I will do, see here. Let me decrease the column width. Okay. Now, here it is. Now we have to find the product space, not like this procedure in single cell. So what I will do, I do sum if, right, this is the right, the range will be this, right, S4, comma, and the criteria will be, we doesn't know the criteria, we have to find that. So I will take this whole thing again. So it will become an array. And the sum range will be this one. Now see how it will give the answer. This number will repeat 5 times, and this number will repeat 7 times, and this number will repeat 9 times. 5, 7, 9. Okay. S9. See. First number 5 times. 98262, 98262. 2 times is over. 3 times 98262, 98262, 98262. So this one. Okay, this is occurring 5 times. So it is adding those sum of the amount and showing 5 times. Right. So from here, we have to get the maximum sales. Here also the same thing. It is repeating 7 times. The product, not product, yes. The product 3 is repeating 5 times and product 2 is repeating 7 times. Right. So see how I'll do here. Now I'll copy this one whole thing. Now I'll use maxOf. It's an array function. If you do the control shift and enter, it will give this answer. Understood the guys, which I'm going to explain you. If you have any doubt, ask me. And now we got the sale of total, but we have to find the product. So what I'll do, simply I use match of this, comma, lookup array the same lookup value. This one. This one. Okay, number 2 is not there, only that thing, and match is this thing, comma 0. Now it has become an array again. So you have to use the same keystroke, that is control shift and enter. So it will give you the position 2 because here it is there. It will ignore duplicates. If it's having duplicates, it will ignore the duplicates. Okay. You have to find the F2 index of this whole thing, F4, comma, and this. Control shift and enter. Thank you guys. I'm getting a call. Sorry. I'll catch you later. Please like, share, and subscribe.